glass of water, an empty bowl, a needle, and a piece of a cardboard. Now we will pour this water in the bowl. Now we need to take this needle and rub on the fridge 50 times. Now this needle have a pin and a hole over here. If you want to make this not pour, you need to scrub it this side like this. But if you want this pole, then you need to scrub it like this. Now we need to scrub it 50 times. But there is a trick. We need to do it like this, that the magnetic field got catch. We need to do till 50 times. This needle which I scrub on the place right now. Now this side I scrub, the point side. Now we need to take this piece of a cardboard. We need to put in the water. And we need to take this needle and put it. Now this was the knot. No, I was telling this was the knot. So this is the south. Means this side is the north and this side is the south. So the needle magnetic power is, this is north, then it remove the electrical magnetic power and it goes in south pole. So it happens so many times because it face always the north. That's how we make a